friends, we made it to the beautiful beach of Yelapa. Yelapa is a beach that is in a little bay. As you can see, there's no waves here. It's like a beautiful beach. And let me show you the bay. Lots of boats come to this beautiful paradise. Can you imagine living here in one of those houses? Yes, I can. So hopefully I'll be rich soon. So anyways, look at the ocean. Look at the beautiful water. Look at that house over there. We are supposed to be here for 2 to 3 hours, and then we're gonna go back to Puerto Vallarta. But people that wanna go for a walk to the waterfall can do that. So I think me and my friend Andrea, we're gonna do that. We're going for a little walk. The weather is super hot. Have you seen the type of houses here? They're like little cabins made out of like, notice the roof is like made out of palm trees. Looks really nice actually. Yeah, this is way more developed than 6 years ago that I came. So anyways, we're just waiting to get off and enjoy this beautiful place. I'll show you the waterfall and the walk to the waterfall soon.